iPhone XS camera review in 2021. What's up everyone, my name is Aditya and welcome to AGT Tech. And guys, in this video, let us discuss about the overall camera capability of the iPhone XS. This phone is already 2 years old, but still for 2021, it is a very capable player. Well guys, in terms of all of the specifications, it is right on point, and from past 9 months, I'm using this as my daily driver, so I can give you the overall clear picture. And for this particular camera review, I have selected few shots throughout my entire usage. So guys, now let us have a look at all of the sample images. Well guys, the first image is regarding the portrait mode. As you can see, in terms of the portrait mode, the telephoto lens is doing its job pretty well, and that goes same with the 2x optical zoom. But you all have to admit that we very rarely take any zoomed photos. Well guys, in majority amount of cases, we are using the telephoto lens for the portrait mode shots, and in very few situations for the micro shots, and other than that, it is not at all that useful. Well guys, the original quality from the standard camera is way better, and guys, with the help of the iPhone 11 Pro and the iPhone 12 lineup, you're definitely getting way more improved HDR. But the HDR on the iPhone XS is no exception. Well guys, there are no cool features like HDR video, but still with this kind of phone, the video quality and the photos are right on point. And many people ask me that there is very less difference between the camera of the iPhone X and that of the iPhone XS. But honestly speaking, I have seen the camera of the X and the XS, and the XS is a clear winner. Well guys, with the iPhone X also, you are getting a decent camera, but the iPhone XS is actually a massive upgrade. Well, in all of the high dynamic range content and overall, this kind of camera with the XS is much better in seeing the foreground and the background. So in terms of portrait mode also, there is a very nice accuracy. And guys, definitely with the iPhone 11 lineup and the iPhone 12 lineup, you are getting much more enhancements. You are talking about HDR videos, much more improved portrait mode, and if you go for the iPhone 12 Pro, then you are getting the LiDAR sensor, because of which the autofocus is pretty good. So in all of the aspects, the newer iPhones are definitely better, but this doesn't mean that the iPhone XS is lacking. As you can see, few days ago I pop open a camera and the zoom or the macro shot is actually very good, and in all of the aspects, let that be in low light, let that be even in a dull lighting situation, it is a very reliable source. Well guys, even if my Samsung phone is having a dedicated night mode, but still the night mode shots out of the iPhone are way more natural. Well guys, with the Samsung phone, everything is too much boosted, whereas with the iPhone, you are getting little bit of noise, but still the overall picture quality is completely to the next level. And guys, it goes same with all of the aspects. I have used this phone approximately for around 9 months, and I can clearly tell you that this is a very reliable camera. And if you are talking about the video quality, you can watch any of my videos, because all of those videos are shot on my iPhone XS. So in reality, for me as a content creator, my iPhone is actually a very nice tool, and it goes same with you guys. If you like to take a lot of photos, and if you also want a nice device for videos, then the iPhone XS is a clear winner. So I don't want to take a lot of your time, but I want to come to the final conclusion. Well guys, see, the camera quality of the iPhone XS is much better than few Android flagships, and in general, as a complete package, it is a very nice device. So in 2021, if you are planning to buy the iPhone XS, then you are most welcome. But if camera is your number one priority, and if you want to buy a new iPhone just for the camera factor, then try to go towards the iPhone 11 or the iPhone 11 Pro. But overall, as a package, the iPhone XS is a true value for the money product, and in terms of the camera also, it is pretty much exceptional. Well guys, easily this iPhone will outperform any other mid-range Android phone. So for sure, if you want to buy a phone just for the photography purpose, then the iPhone XS is a great choice. So guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.